Imagine if I told you that there are vehicles that not only save you money nowadays, but also continue to run strong for decades. In this video, we are exploring the 10 cheapest cars that last forever. They are not glamorous vehicles, but they are legends of dependability because they have been known to reach hundreds of thousands of miles with hardly a complaint. You will learn which affordable rides have become known for being near-death proof and why wise drivers prefer them over pretentious nameplates. By the time you finish, you will know precisely which cars can go the distance without draining your bank account. But before we drive away, make sure you press that like button, subscribe for more intelligent car choices, and ring the notification bell so you never miss what car dealers do not want you to know. 10. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage is usually selected for its low entry cost, but it turns out to be loved for something better, which is how well it lasts over the years. This small car may not provide exciting speed, but it always provides excellent fuel economy and an extremely low cost of maintenance, so it is desirable for utilitarian drivers who prefer reliability over performance. But if you desire an honest daily driver that has function over frills, then the Mirage will not let you down. With proper treatment, it shows that even a budget car can last for years and miles. Going ahead, our next selection demonstrates how a plain design combined with budget friendliness can produce a car that lasts a lifetime without asking too much of your bankroll number. 9. Nissan Versa. The Nissan Versa is generally acknowledged to be among the lowest priced new vehicles in America, and that in itself makes it appealing to cost-conscious buyers. But what really sets it apart is that it moderates low price with practicality. The Versa is not a performance leader, but it pays back drivers with up to 35 miles per gallon fuel efficiency and minimal maintenance requirements, so it keeps ownership costs impressively in check. It also provides useful technology and a spacious interior for its size. If you are looking for a no-nonsense vehicle that gets maximum value, then the Versa earns its spot confidently. Climbing higher on our list, we find a car that shows you do not need luxury badges to have comfort, reliability, and long-term value number. 8. Nissan Sentra. The Nissan Sentra has earned a name for being a compact sedan that keeps things simple yet reliable. It is not going to provide the thrill of a performance vehicle, but consistently offers well above average reliability and excellent gas mileage. So it is a go-to for buyers who need to save money without sacrificing practicality. The latest version begins at an affordable price, but with standard driver aids and advanced safety tech, making it appealing both to first-time buyers and commuters. Its spacious cabin and trunk offer daily comfort and usability. If you are seeking a cost-conscious sedan that is safe and long-lived, then the Sentra holds up. Next up is a vehicle that demonstrates how practicality and sleek design can find common ground in delivering an option that just seems smarter with each mile number. 7. Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai Elantra has become a driver's go-to name for value without sacrifice. It is not made for the racetrack, but it performs where it is most needed with great fuel efficiency, particularly in its hybrid variant. Thus, it is a commuter's best friend that maintains expenses low and delivers long-term reliability. The Elantra also boasts a surprisingly spacious interior, comfortable seats, and easy-to-operate technology such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and driver assist systems. But what seals the deal for it is Hyundai's robust warranty and tested durability. If you desire efficiency, comfort, and assurance, then the Elantra is still a lasting option. Going further, we see a car that shows that durability is not only about design, but also about how you treat it over time. Number 6. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 has a good reputation for lasting far beyond expectations, with many owners showing 200,000 to 300,000 miles or more when maintained properly. This longevity is due to good Mazda engineering, but also because it depends on regular care and good driving habits. So owners who keep maintenance on track with scheduled oil changes, fluid checks, and tire rotations experience impressive results. But reliability is just one of its strengths because the Mazda 3 also provides communicative handling and a smooth ride, so it's a pleasure as well as reliable. If you seek a compact vehicle that rewards thoughtful driving with long-term endurance, then the Mazda 3 is among the best options. Number 5. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is awarded globally for having outstanding fuel efficiency, along with some of the lowest maintenance expenses of any vehicle owners, regularly spend significantly less on maintenance. And CarEdge suggests only around $4,000 in repairs over a decade. So the Prius isn't only environmentally friendly, but also budget-friendly. Its hybrid system minimizes fuel costs, while its well-established reputation for reliability minimizes surprise repairs. Constructed with lifelong performance in mind, it often survives well past expectations. If you're looking for a vehicle that puts together durability, effectiveness, and savings, then the Prius is still an incredible choice. Arriving at the next location, we see an SUV that has quietly established itself as one of the most rugged travel companions on the road. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has been for years lauded for lasting well past expectations, with many models reaching 200,000 miles and frequently going to 250,000 or more when properly cared for. This is no coincidence because Honda has a documented history of building long-lasting vehicles that receive consistently high ratings for reliability. So the CR-V just keeps showing up on Consumer Reports rankings as one of the most reliable SUVs. But it's more than numbers appealing because it provides comfort, functionality, and confidence with each drive. If you need an SUV for your family that delivers longevity and value, then the Honda CR-V shines. As we progress, we reach a car that has risen to near legendary status for its capacity to last decades without increasing costs incredibly. Number 3. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has earned its place as being one of the most reliable and longest-lasting sedans in the world. Constructed with engines specifically built for longevity and high-quality parts that withstand, where it commonly runs like new beyond 300,000 miles if well-maintained. Hence, quite a number of owners retain their Camrys for 20 years or more, with peace of mind for every mile. But the Camry is not only reliable because it also provides efficiency, comfort, and strong resale value. Its conservative redesigns confirm proven reliability, while its low maintenance prices make it easy to own. If you are looking for a sedan that provides trust, performance, and longevity, then the Camry is unparalleled. Number 2. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is more than a compact vehicle because it has become a generation-spanning symbol of reliability. With hundreds of owners swearing by it for exceeding 200,000 miles, it shows that durability and style can coexist within one package. So it still draws buyers who desire a vehicle which conserves money while still providing thrills on the road. The Civic is fuel-efficient, cost-effective to maintain and retains good resale value. So it's a wise financial decision, but it also brings sharp styling, new technology, and exciting performance. If you desire a vehicle which combines daily practicality with long-term enjoyment, then the Civic is unforgettable. Last but not least, we arrive at the vehicle that has become an international icon of reliability and affordability, demonstrating that simplicity and intelligent engineering can produce genuine auto legends. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is renowned across the globe for one basic reason: it simply doesn't quit. Durable engines and transmissions make it often exceed 300,000 miles with proper care. Thus, it's the number 1 pick for commuters seeking unparalleled dependability and affordable ownership. Most affordable parts and low maintenance keep costs in line, while great gas mileage saves you money at the pump. But the Corolla also pays off for owners in robust resale value, making it a financial success long after buying. With smooth operating conditions and regular maintenance, this sedan provides comfort, efficiency, and longevity. If you need a car that will last forever, the Corolla is alone in its league. Before we conclude, let us reveal the ultimate truth regarding why some automobiles just outlast the rest. Key factors for longevity. The key to making any vehicle last an eternity is in care and consistency. Regular oil changes, tire rotation, and timely replacement of brakes can seem like a no-brainer, but they are the backbone of durability. And when a vehicle has low cost of ownership, with low-priced parts and easy maintenance, it is not only a mode of transportation, but also a long-term traveling companion. So the actual question is, which one of these forever cars would you want to stick with you for decades? Share your answer in the comments because what you choose may inspire other motorists. And before you leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more car secrets, tap the bell for upcoming news, and share this with friends who long for driving a car.